Hi guys, we are making some soccer treat bags today. The boys want to help me. We're going to make some cute bags first, and they're going to help me color on them, right? For all of our friends at our soccer game today. Yeah, we're going to write on the bags. So we're just going to make a soccer ball on these bags and try and make them kind of cute. So I'm just tracing a circle. And then the boys will color in the soccer ball. I'm gonna just trace a hexagon to make it look like a soccer ball. I'm not super artistic, so these aren't gonna be amazing, but we thought we'd do something fun for our soccer team, right?
Yeah.
How many goals are you gonna score today?
I don't know.
How many?
I did our 13.
You're gonna score 13 goals?
Yeah. I'm gonna score infinity.
Infinity? That's awesome.
I did 0.
0 goals?
Yeah, I did that small.
Because you're small?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
What are you making?
We're making a soccer ball. Kind of, sort of. Do you want to? Okay. Now we're going to color in just a few. We have some black crayons. And we're going to color in. You want to color in this one right here and one of these over here? Because you know a soccer ball is black and then white and then some other black ones. Yeah. All right, so just color a few in, okay? I'm going to make one for you, Zachary, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, we have our bags and we're gonna put our snacks in. So Benjamin wanted all of his favorites. We have banana, his favorite granola bars. We have this little cheese.
Mommy,
cute cheese.
Bananas.
And then we have a little apple juice.
Banana in here.
Yep, we'll put a banana in there.
Mommy.
So, Zachary.
Banana.
All right, so snacks are ready to go. All right, so our treat bags are ready to go for the game today. The boys have their soccer, so we have some nice healthy snacks for post-game treat. Little juice, banana, granola bar, and some cheese. And the boys had so much fun making these little treat bags with the soccer ball on them. Super fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna go off to our soccer game today, and we hope that you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.